Hey guys, welcome back to Alice's Kitchen. Thank you so much for your support. We are grateful for everyone that has subscribed, those that have been commenting, liking and watching our videos. We greatly appreciate and big shout out to all of you. So we are back in the kitchen again, and today we are making a simple vanilla sponge cake. If you've been watching my videos and following, when I made the vanilla cupcakes, I promised that I was gonna do a vanilla sponge cake, just with a little twist, but using the same ingredients. So that's what I am doing today. So I'm just gonna show you the ingredients that I'll be using today. I've got 125 grams self-raising flour. I've got 125 grams caster sugar. I've got 125 grams of butter. This is soft butter at room temperature. I've left it out for 30 minutes. I've got 2 eggs. These are also at room temperature. I've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can substitute with vanilla extract, or you can also use almond extract. If you're using almond extract, remember to use half the quantity. And I've got 2 tablespoons of milk. So this is the only thing that's different from when we're making the cupcakes. And why I'm adding the milk is because I wanted to give that nice runny texture so I can have a nice soft cake. So, are you ready to have some fun and to get baking? I can't wait. So before we get carried away, guys, let's preheat our oven ready for the baking. So we want to switch our oven to 180 degrees. And I'm going to turn it on top and bottom with a fan. Now this setting just depends on your oven. You know your oven best. You know the setting that you usually use for baking. So you just want to preheat it to that before you start with anything. So I'm just gonna start by creaming the butter together with the sugar. You want to cream that until it's nice and fluffy. Start at a low speed so that everything doesn't come flying out. So I'll just turn my mixer now to a low speed and start. So halfway through, just make sure to just scrape everything from the sides, because you want to make sure that everything is well mixed and incorporated. So I'll just scrape the sides. I'll just mix it a bit more before I add my milk and vanilla essence. Now I'm just going to add my milk, vanilla essence. Then I'll just mix that for like 30 seconds, and then I'll add my flour. Now I've got my nice butter here. I'm just scraping the sides as well as the bottom to just make sure that all the flour has been mixed through. And then from here, we are just going to put it in our tin and bake. Now I'm just going to add the mixture to the baking tray. Now we've got our mixture. I'll just level it out. And then you just want to shake it a little bit so that if there's any air, it all comes out before you put it in the oven. And there we go, our cake is ready, and now we're just gonna pop it in the oven. So we've got our vanilla sponge. It's out of the oven, it's cooled down, and you can see how soft it is when I push it down. Simply springs back up, and that's another way of telling that it's cooked. So I've made just one layer because I'm not icing, I'm not doing a layered cake. If you want to layer your cake so to put icing, you can double the amount and then you can have 2 tins. So this is just gonna be simple today. I'm just gonna dust it with some icing sugar. And then I'll just put some strawberries on the top there. So that's just another way that you can serve your cakes if you don't want to ice them. So just dust with icing sugar just to give it a good look. And I am just going to finish it off by just putting some strawberries on the top here. So there you go, guys. We've got our simple, easy, straightforward vanilla sponge cake, and now it's ready for us to enjoy.